So Jason, what has Build Team done this week?
In the past week, we have worked on building our elevator prototype, worked on creating our coral intake prototype. We finished building our field elements so we can practice, and we're in the process of creating our algae intake prototype.
We're going to perform an execution.
Ben, can you tell me what programming is done this week?
So far, we have finished coding our swerve drive, and we have finished working on our field tracking April tags. We have also started work on doing lift levels, and we have even started working on the intake and tracking for our coral.
In addition to all of that, Team FridgeBot has received from AndyMark new components, including a Kraken motor, and new industrial shelving units, graciously donated by Pete Ostrander of Alpha Omega. Want to see Team FridgeBot compete? Join us at Kettering University from February 27th through March 1st and at Allendale Charter Township from March 20th through March 22nd. We hope to see you there.